Tell me what happened. Someone just turned the script on the market. In a single night, everything shifted. There is widespread fear. Somewhat dubious activity has been detected, according to one expert. Would they deceive us? The huge buildup of BlackRock has begun again. Shiba Inu's destiny may be altered by this. In the near future, Shiba Inu may drop a few zeros. Why is this taking place? Furthermore, what am I even referring to? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. What is happening? There was unbelievable excitement in the air only a few days ago when Shiba Inu was soaring to new heights. A sense of relief washed over the people as they finally began to heal from the devastating losses they had endured in the previous weeks. Following what seemed like an unending period of seeing the Shiba Inu plummet, this upsurge restored optimism. It appeared like Shiba Inu had finally broken away from the downward cycle, and social media was humming with celebration from traders. However, the situation is totally different now. Something negative has happened to the energy. The Shiba Inu's performance has dropped precipitously, and the optimism that had been growing just days before is now fading. As they attempt to make sense of what had transpired, investors find themselves taken aback. Some have stopped moving because they don't know whether to keep going or give up before things grow worse. Still others are holding out hope that this is only a temporary setback before prices rise again. Some people have seen this far too often to really consider it an isolated incident. Even they are taken aback by the unpredictability of the cryptocurrency market. Could this be only another difficult period? Am I missing anything significant? A sense of unease is returning. The anticipation that was fueled by hype is now giving way to reluctance. Let me explain something, however. It is possible that this is just a short setback. According to one expert, Shiba Inu are really preparing for a major revival. Ali Martinez, a prominent market analyst, said that the Shiba Inu price is still above an important support level. A huge 50% increase is possible if purchasers begin to participate again. If momentum increases, he went so far as to say that a rally to a much higher price would be possible. Oh, and you know what? Shiba Inu fell below that critical threshold for an instant not long ago, but has since risen again. That means buyers and sellers are taking this price range very seriously. Similarly optimistic is another analyst, Jevon Marks. He said around a week ago that the Shiba Inu is continuing a breakout trend that began in late 2022. His prediction that Shiba Inu might have a 500% increase in popularity if that trend continues would be a game changer. The whole atmosphere around Shiba Inu would change in an instant if that were to occur. However, not everyone is certain that a rally is imminent at this time. A major problem? Shibarium isn't quite making it anymore. It was processing millions of transactions daily as the year began. However, as of late, this figure is now a mere fraction of what it once was, an enormous decline. It may also indicate that the ecosystem is losing its luster or that fewer users are connecting to the network. Then, what comes next? While some market watchers predict a breakthrough is imminent, others believe more declines are more likely. Is the issue of whether or not the bulls will take charge the actual question? On the other hand, is this just a temporary fall before the market recovers? Now we get to the wild phase. The society is in disbelief when a large number of Shiba Inu suddenly vanished from circulation. Over the last day, a significant portion of the meme coin supply has been destroyed, rendering those tokens permanently immutable in secure wallets. Shiba Burn claims that a small number of transactions have resulted in the extinction of tens of millions of Shiba Inu. And what was the most absurd aspect? The vast majority of it came from only 2 transactions, both of which occurred in the span of an hour. It seemed as if the burn process was suddenly accelerated. People can't help but discuss about such unexpected changes. Is this the beginning of a new movement to cut supply? Alternatively, was it a singular incident? At this point, Everyone is waiting to see if this upswing will last or whether it was all a fluke. But hold for a second. You may be asking, what is going on? What is the current factor that is influencing the pricing of Shiba Inu? So, let's stand back and see the broader view. For the simple reason that Bitcoin remains central to everything. Oh, and you know what? Shiba Inu recently took a tumble with Bitcoin. In line with the abrupt decline in the whole cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin's price has just fallen to the mid-80,000 area today. But for what reason? How did this come to be? Evidently, the crypto world was recently rocked by the recent major summit of former US President Donald Trump. Even though you would think that kind of publicity would generate even more buzz, something strange happened. The wild part begins here. Something peculiar was picked up by one expert. It was immediately after the conference that Trump issued a strong proclamation. You should never sell Bitcoin. I thought that would have boosted my self-assurance. Is this an indication that he's officially supporting cryptocurrency? Very much not, because after that, what transpired? All of us made a sale. Additionally, the analyst made a public comment. Bitcoin price chart snapshot showing steep decline after Trump's speech. The caption too. One more rug for Trump. How deceitful. Weirdness ensues. Was there more at play here than meets the eye? Did major players already have plans to dump, capitalizing on the summit's hoopla to make a great exit? Alternately, is the public being kept in the dark about anything occurring behind the scenes? And so we return to the Shiba Inu. Simply said, Shiba Inu seemed to follow Bitcoin's every move. This is similar to a chain reaction. When Bitcoin's value drops, meme coins take a further nosedive. Right now, that is precisely what is happening. However, the major concern is here. Where was the support for Bitcoin if it was supposed to be falling? Who was trying to mislead us? Is there a significant unknown at this time? Why does it seem like the complete reverse transpired if this was really meant to be a good thing for crypto? What does this imply for Shiba Inu going forward? And that is the most critical question. However, they are acting exactly the inverse of what average investors are doing, selling their shares in the large companies in a panic. Consider the largest asset manager in the world, BlackRock. They just reversed their strategy and began purchasing Bitcoin again after selling a large quantity in the previous week. This action ended what may have been a third consecutive day of capital fleeing crypto ETFs, and it also ended a run of Bitcoin outflows. Where is the significance of this now? For the simple reason that large financial companies like BlackRock seldom load up by mistake. The decision-making process is rational for these men. Opportunity prompts them to act. Only a few days ago, they were making billions. But right now? And now they're making purchases. This may indicate that institutional investors are making a comeback, according to some observers. Additionally, what will transpire when large sums of money begin to pour back into Bitcoin? The Shiba Inu is next. If institutional buyers are back in full force, today's fall may have been little more than a prelude to their arrival. Let me tell you something. Shiba Inu backers aren't going anywhere, no matter how crazy things become. This is nothing new to them. They recall the year 2021, when Shiba Inu unexpectedly rose in value from its status as a meme currency to the point where some early investors became billionaires. Such past events are difficult to erase from memory. That is precisely why a large number of people are patiently waiting for something to happen next. The price point that would provide an incredible return to early investors keeps popping up, and it's the same one. There are experts who believe it's doable. Following its 2024 breakout from a key pattern, Crypto Sheriff projected that Shiba Inu will stage another huge run. Luckside Crypto, another cryptocurrency YouTuber, said that large investors were buying up and that resistance levels were beginning to crumble, suggesting that momentum may be gathering. Naturally, there are skeptics, but it isn't going to stop Shiba Inu owners from holding on tight. They have seen the potential of this token and are now hoping for another spectacular run. However, how do you feel about this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments column. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.